Alright guys, so Silva's steering wheel is looking really, she's looking a lot worse for wear. It's like the biggest thing that's like worn on this truck in 74,000 miles. And so I really want to replace the steering wheel with a leather wrapped one from a factory leather wrapped one, and get one that has the heated steering wheel right here. I'm just not, I haven't bought the part, I hadn't saved money for the part, so hopefully that'll be a future video. But I wanted to go ahead and get something to kind of keep this from flaking off in my hands a little bit. And so back in the day, whenever I had my 1986 Firebird, it had a similar problem, and so I put one of these steering wheel covers on, and I really liked it. I actually went through a couple of them on that car just because I liked it so much. So we're going to go old school on Silva, and we're going to see how the sport grip looks on Silva. So if you're interested in putting one of these laced on steering wheel covers, kind of old school, stick around. Let's find out how to get this done. By the way, I didn't know they still made these things, so I'm extremely happy to find them. So TLDR, it didn't work. It's a piece of crap. If you want to be entertained, watch the rest of this video. All right guys, so let's get this thing unboxed and see how it's going to fit on Silva. We got the sport grip, bringing it back old school. Kind of scared how it's going to fit like around the sides of the wheel. This might be a giant disaster, and if it is, I'll let you know. But let's get this thing unboxed, see what we got here.
No, you will not get this thing unboxed.
Yes, I will.
No, because you came in and asked me what I bought, and then you walked out and left me.
You ignored me by looking at your phone and keep on typing and didn't even talk to me.
I said, hey, these are the ones I wore out. Hang on a minute, I'll show you the others.
All right, so we got it unboxed now. Everybody say hello to Steffi.
I think we need to pause this video.
We're on live stream.
Oh, well.
5,000 viewers.
Nope.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
No, we're just videoing. All right, guys. So the way these sport wheel steering wheel wrap come, it's just a giant loop. You can see it's kind of got texture. Feels real soft. On the bottom of them, on one side, it's just like a vinyl wrap. One side you got a short string, and then the other side is a long string. This is what goes around the steering wheel. So let's review the instructions and see what they say, because I ain't messed with one of these in like 35 years. So let's see. Instructions. Alright, it says to read the instructions carefully. Do not use your fingertips inside to stretch over the steering wheel. Alright, so that's good. So there's, you guys can pause if y'all want to read. Basically, this wraps around the steering wheel. Pretty easy. So I'm going to get these read, and then I'm going to start installing it, see how it goes. So it doesn't really tell you what to do. It probably does, I just haven't read it yet. So the seam goes on the bottom of the steering wheel. Makes sense. Alright, so here we go. Let me try to get this thing installed, at least on, and then we'll start lacing it up. You know, the instructions don't actually address this short tag right here. Like, at all. What do you guys think? Thumbs up, thumbs down. So over here I went like horizontal, and over here I kind of went angled. because of where the guides fall. I don't think I like that too much though. I think I like that one better. I'm going to unwrap that and see if I can get a straight right there. Just like over here. Or straight over here, just like over here. So it says under the last winding, insert as shown, repeat operation on the next to last winding. So I guess it wants you to go back. Yeah, that didn't work. I ended up tearing it. I tore it. I seem to recall doing this a lot. Whenever from like this brought back memories of me tearing my sport steering wheel cover. Oh geez. So this is a failure. I'm going to go ahead and tear this off and throw it in the garbage. So guys, if you're interested in the sport steering wheel it's real easy to tear. So as soon as you try to tie it off at the end, you're going to tear it. Whenever you loop it through the holes that it says that it, like you're supposed to. I didn't even pull hard. I just pulled a little bit and bam, next thing you know, I'm tearing it. So that tear is just going to keep on going. So can't return it because I've destroyed it. And yeah, so I'm just going to cut this off and we're going to go on a hunt for another steering wheel cover. Probably just going to end up being some generic Chevrolet cover or something like that. Anyway, let's see if we can find an actual cover that's going to work for this. By the way, if you're interested, up at this point of my failure, I have been filming for 38 minutes between the intro and this. So, but, I mean, look, it doesn't really look that good. I just, thumbs down. Nope, we're not gonna accept that. So mission, find a steering wheel cover that will sort of help us, is continuing. Garbage. Hot garbage.